It's not going to happen. So what happens is 5links puts you in a position where you actually acquire the customers, have the conversations, you build these networks, and then the networks build you into other cities, states, and countries that you would never be able to get to yourself. So, we're going to start with the customer representative. You saw the products and services, you saw everything. This essentially gives you access to everything that we have, but it's still a job. It's a part-time job because you're only going to get paid like you do now off your own efforts. The difference between these two positions is this allows you to actually build a company within a company where you have thousands of customers, thousands of people working with you, that you're training, you're equipping them, and then a portion of what they're doing is helping take care of your household. And that money just comes on the 15th of every month. It just comes. It just comes. But you got to do something. Now, the second one comes with the cars, the bonuses, and everything else. But what it doesn't come with is somebody that's shaking you and waking you up and telling you it's time to get up and run your business. That's on you. That's the difference between the motivated person that becomes inspired. So if you're the person that is getting some inspiration from this, do not walk out of here and leave without really asking questions if you have any in your head. See, because when we show this, we know it's always 3 questions. It's the person that says, you know, is this real? Does it work? It's definitely real, and it definitely works. But what I don't know is if it'll work for you, because I don't know if you can make the transition from motivated to inspired. And it's always 3 types of people every time we show this. It's the person that says, you know what, this makes sense, but it's too much sales for me. If you had to interview to get a job, you're selling already. You're just under a different title. Change the way you think and you'll change your life. If it's the second type of person, don't ask too many questions because this is a multi-trillion-dollar business. You didn't know what you were going to be doing 5 years ago on the job that you took that you're working in now. You walked yourself into it. This is a business where you earn while you learn. I'm a senior vice president with 5.5 years in this business, and I'm still learning every day. I learned from a 25-year-old millionaire that came in and taught me some things about the business that I hadn't experienced yet. So, and then the third type of person, they're like, you could, the guy in the black jacket, he didn't even have to come up. We were ready to go 5 minutes into it. Now, if that's you, I don't know who you are. I don't know which one of those people that you are. If this makes sense to you and the only thing that's stopping you is money, stick your hand up and let me know if this makes sense. Raise your hand. It makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Stick your hand way up. Okay. We got some applications. We're going to hand them out to you. If you have questions, get your questions answered because there are people in this room that are living this out, walking it out every day. We know what's going on. You're going to answer questions.